Hello and welcome back, my fellow Dividend explorers. I see I have 8 subscribers now. Please help me in my journey. Subscribe, like, comment, interact. Thank you very much. Today is the last day of April, so we are going to buy our last stock from our April dividend stock lists. I started a daily stock investing plan in April of 2020. The plan is very simple. I will buy one stock a day for an amount of $50. I can do this because I use a no-cost broker that allows the buy of fractional shares. So instead of buying one or multiple shares, I can buy shares for, let's say, $50. I am based in Europe, so I'm using trading 212 for this. If you're in the US, you can follow my strategy using Robinhood or M1 Finance. At the beginning of every month, I generate lists of dividend stocks based on a few criteria. The list is limited to companies with a market capitalization of at least 10 billion. That's the first criteria. Then it has to earn more than it pays out. It's the second criteria. And then the third criteria, it has to have less debt than assets. So it's a healthy company with enough room to find new credit. Once we apply our filter, we calculate how long it would take to earn back the costs of the stock. We first deduct the average price target as set by different analysts. Then we calculate how long it would take to earn back that amount of money, taking into account the past dividend growth. We then order the list and buy from top to bottom, so from the best ranking stock to the least ranking stock. We buy one stock from that list every day. I started following my plan just about 3 weeks ago. I was lucky to catch a rebound in the US stock market, but the stock price is not my main goal. My goal is to build a portfolio that's paying me out dividends every month. I plan to reinvest those dividends to grow it even more. And that's my journey. I am following my lists and don't let any emotions or feelings about stocks get me. It's a pure rational mechanical play. There are more tax and time efficient ways to invest for dividends, but I actually like to just do it and to be surprised by companies I never heard of that appear on my list. And the company I'm buying today is a company I never heard of, but I probably have a lot of equipment, hardware, screens that use their technology. And that company is called Corning Incorporated with the ticker symbol GLW. It's my first stock that manufactures electronic components, and it's a nice addition to my portfolio that currently is heavily weighted in oil and gas and real estate. So Corning is the big name in the production of display glass, like the Gorilla Glass you can find on your phones, the glass on almost every screen, glass used for pharmaceutical technologies, and advanced optics. They also produce fiber optic cables, which is, I think all of those things are not going away anytime soon. The Corning stock price has dropped since the start of the global illness. At 59, it does have a high PE ratio, but it does have a fairly nice dividend of 4% that has been growing in the past 5 years. Its board of directors also approved a new quarterly dividend they are not cutting it, so I expect that they will keep paying out. The company is currently valued at $17 billion, and they have a reasonable $7 billion in debt. In the past 5 years, they also increased their dividends from 12 cents to 22 cents. So it's not really doubling, but it's still quite nice raise. I'm quite happy with finishing my April journey, and I'm looking forward to the stocks I will buy in May. So like, subscribe, and follow me to discover the new lists.